Some people think that I am crazy because I quit my 9 to 5 corporate interior design job and living a laptop lifestyle and have worked for myself ever since. You must be thinking, how? And the answer is Amazon, guys. You're about to hear my story. So I grew up in a conservative household, and it was really a struggle for my family to put food on the table. I always knew that I had to step up. At 12 years, I got my first job as I wanted to help my family and want to do something for them. My dad always wanted me to be a doctor, naturally. So I ended up pivoting and went to the school for design. Next, after finishing my studies, I ended up working in a corporate world. I used to make like $50,000 per year, and I was pretty brainwashed that this is the best opportunity in the world that I should be thankful for. After 1 year of 80 hours a week working, or maybe sometimes more, I wanted to take a leave for like 2 days, as my grandmother was not feeling well, and she lives far away from here, by the way. So after like so many arguments with my boss, I got a leave for like 24 hours. I remember, yeah. I visited her, but I was on the phone and emails all the time, and I could not get time to even talk to her properly, or like sit with her, and so all that passed away, and I came back but within a few hours, guys, I got the news that she fell down and got injured. At that moment, guys, I looked at my life and wondered what I am doing here. My personal and my professional life was suffering. I had no time for my loved ones, or even for myself. Because you guys, you can see, like, if a person is like your family is like suffering and you can't even sit with them, how does it feel? Obviously it felt very bad. Guys, at that point, it felt very bad because you don't have enough time for yourself or even your family. And she was injured and nobody was there. From that day, I started searching, as I believe that there is something out there for me that can give me a lot of flexibility and can help me achieve my goal. So I spent like hundred of hours searching the internet, trying to find the ways to make money online that I can do for myself and anywhere in the world. I don't have to be in a cubicle. Basically, I tried a lot of things. I tried affiliate marketing, building blogs and websites with SEO and AdSense. But let me tell you guys, I did not find any success until I found Amazon FBA. It was an awesome journey. I met a lot of mentors who were like generating millions of dollars at that time, and they really inspire me. But sellers, I was always interested in making more money and having the flexibility in my life to spend more time with my family. So I would always so I used to always Google like, how do you make money online? And I will always be targeted by ads. One of my first exposure to Amazon was just through literally an ad on YouTube saying that you can make millions of dollars selling everyday products on Amazon. Wow, that really caught my eye. So while I was working full-time as an interior designer and struggling, I started my first company, like sort of store of my like passion project. It was kind of a skincare brand store. But guys, this brand ended up failing, as they were from the gated category and it was a brand, and I lost a good amount of money in it. And sellers, when we are starting out on Amazon, the biggest fear is of losing our money and wasting our time. That is exactly what I felt at that time. When you are a beginner level, you're like a child who does not know anything, and you're left alone in this wide world where you don't know where to go, what to do. And I felt exactly like that at that point. I felt like a loser, unmotivated, and all that stuff. But deep down, I knew that I must have done something that was wrong. So I had so much belief in this business model that I wanted to give another shot. This time, guys, I found a product in the baby niche market, and I went with a little less investment, like $3,000 in that. The product went very well, touch wood, and I have about like $30,000 in my first month of launch. And I was like, wow, this is insane. I was following the FBA model, and guys, if you know, the Amazon FBA stands for Fulfillment by Amazon. Basically, what you're doing here is you're finding a product, you're selling it online through Amazon, but the fulfillment is by Amazon. So Amazon is taking care of the shipping and all that store and storing your products in a warehouse that they have. So they're taking care of the customer service, they are handling all the fulfillment issues and all of that stuff. So you don't have to do anything. You just have to source the product from Alibaba and ship it to Amazon. I remember literally receiving my first promotion letter from our office saying, okay, you are going to be paid $32,000 a year. But now I'm like, okay, I just made about that, what I make in a salary in a year, in 1 month. And that was like mind blowing to me. So I ended up quitting my job shortly after that, because I knew that on Amazon, I was like, at that time, making $30,000 a month selling physical products, and I should go full time with it. So imagine the possibilities if I would go full time with it. But guys, I can't tell you that when my first product fails, what I went through. After launching second, then third, and so on, I ended up quitting my job and went full time with Amazon and ended up doing like $1 million in sale within like 2 years. And then shortly after I was able to sell that company, I also did this again with another store brand and realized that, oh my gosh, this is a repeatable thing. This is a repeatable process and it works. It's scalable. I can do wherever I want. I can visit my family. I can I have my own life. I can enjoy. I can have holidays and all that stuff, because I was living a laptop lifestyle. That was my dream. When I look back and realize what was my biggest mistake for the failure of my first product, which gave me a huge loss, guys, in my money, and that really shocked my mental health. I can't tell you. I realized that was because of not having a direction or guidance. Sellers, if I had someone beside me at that time teaching, that stuff, then I wouldn't have lost that much money. It should be my profit, right? Guys, we don't realize that in order to save a few $100s in a course or mentorship, we are putting ourselves in a loss of thousands of dollars, and even our health. So my advice would be to learn from a mentor instead of wasting your money on trial and error. You should be able to find a product confidently that you can source it, sell it, list it with a lot of confidence. So I think that would be my piece of advice. And if I go back, I won't be doing that mistake again. And I would have to like to have some guidance, because guys, we live in an era, we are so lucky. I mean, you guys are so lucky who are just starting out or who just did, that you can take advice from a lot of mentors and you can take courses, and there's a lot of people who are trying to help you, and whoever you resonate with, you can just go for that. But my advice is, guys, that go for a guidance or mentorship. That is really, really important. And I don't want to do the same mistake that I did that cost me a lot of money and most importantly, my mental health. Guys, when I look back and think about my life, and now I'm so grateful that I am able to work on my own terms and be able to travel and work from anywhere in the world, to be able to travel the world and work from a laptop. Guys, that's really a blessing, I tell you. I mean, really, really blessing. I even thank Jeff Bezos, guys, first of all, for creating a platform where people like me, just ordinary people from small towns, are able to thrive, sell, and make a living out of it. I mean, if I can do it, guys, you can definitely do that. I'm not someone special. I'm not smart by any means. I just found a system that works, and I just followed that system. If I can do it, you can do it that too. Now, I'm not saying all this to brag or anything like that, but more just to show you guys what is possible. And I truly believe that Amazon and selling on Amazon is the future, guys. The future is now, guys. There is no better time to be selling on Amazon as a platform as now. Every day, more and more brands pivoting to Amazon, and now is the best time you could be selling on this platform. If you guys found any value in me sharing my story or would like to learn more from my experience selling on Amazon, make sure you like this video and subscribe, because we are going to be putting out a whole lot more content and more tactical content for you guys so that you can start your own Amazon FBA store this year, guys. I have learned advanced tips and hacks throughout my journey that I will share with you here for free, because I don't want to be stuck in the same situation like I did, where you don't have financial freedom and you have to live paycheck to paycheck. I'm passionate about helping people with real knowledge so that they can break that 9-to-5 chain and have a laptop lifestyle. Sellers, I want to be real with you guys. I want to be totally transparent about this journey, so that way I can show to you that it's not gonna be some easy ride where all of a sudden I'm making like 30K a month. I want to show you guys what it really takes and what are the opportunities in this model. So let me know in the comments what kind of videos I should be making. I really want to help you guys understand there is a ton of opportunity out there, and I'm gonna do it in a completely transparent and real way. I'm not gonna fluff, guys. I'm not gonna fluff things up here. And I really want to tell you that it's really like basically documenting my journey and sharing those profitable products with you. So hopefully you can benefit from it. So if that sounds like what you guys want, hit the subscribe button. And if you like this video, guys, please hit the thumbs up button and leave a comment below and let me know what I can do for you guys to succeed. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in this next video.